In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Todoist. Whether you're new to Todoist or have been using it for a while but want to switch the language to better suit your preference, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Changing the language on Todoist can make your task management experience more personal and comfortable, especially if English isn't your first language or you're trying to practice a new language. First things first, you'll need to log into your Todoist account. Open your web browser of choice and head over to the Todoist login page. You can easily find this by searching for Todoist login in your search engine, or simply by typing https://app.todoist.com/auf/login into your browser's address bar. Once you're on the login page, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you input the email address that's associated with your Todoist account. After typing in your email, the next step is to enter your password. Be careful to type it in correctly to avoid any issues logging in. If you've entered both your email and password correctly, simply click the login button to access your Todoist account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Todoist homepage. From here, navigate to your Today view by clicking on the Today option. This will typically be found at the top of your screen or in the sidebar, depending on whether you're using Todoist on a desktop or mobile device. Now let's get to the part where we change the language. Look for your profile icon, which is usually located at the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Settings to move to the next step. Once you're in the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs on the left-hand side. Click on the General tab to proceed. The general settings are where Todoist allows you to customize some fundamental aspects of your account, including the language. In the general settings, you'll find the language option. It might take a moment to locate as there are several settings listed, but once you find it, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu will display a list of all the available languages that Todoist supports. Take your time to scroll through the list until you find the language you prefer. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. The change should take effect immediately, transforming your Todoist interface into the language of your choice. Remember, changing the language on Todoist not only alters the interface language, but also the language used for dates and times within your tasks. This can be particularly useful if you're using Todoist to learn a new language, or if you're more comfortable with task management in a language other than English. A couple of tips to remember: if you use Todoist across multiple devices, such as your phone and laptop, you may need to change the language settings on each device individually. Additionally, if you ever need to switch back to your original language or try a different one, simply repeat the steps we've gone through today. Changing your Todoist language is a simple way to customize your task management experience, making it more intuitive and tailored to your needs. Whether you're doing it for practice, convenience, or comfort, it's great that Todoist offers the flexibility to manage your tasks in the language that works best for you. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to changing the language on Todoist. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel confident to personalize your Todoist experience further. If you have any questions or need assistance with any other Todoist features, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy task managing.